Welcome viewers to Softedemy, our project control and engineering software academy. So our today's content is based on schedule comparison dashboard Excel report tool. So this is our main dashboard and this is our summary. So how can I can create a dynamic and automated Primavera P6 and Excel query based this dashboard automatically, and you can give this one print to anyone, and you can submit this one, print this one, and also you can print this report and you can get this report for the submission to your client. And how to get this one from our Primavera P6 site, and how to update by using Primavera P6 this one file, and I will export this one and I will just update in my Excel. So this is our today's content about this one, how to use and how to use our tool to get this type of report. Thanks for watching. Welcome viewers to Softedemy, a project control and engineering software academy. Our today's content is based on our latest Power Query based and Primavera P6 Excel based schedule comparison report tool. That's Pro tool, and I will tell you that how this tool will work. I have on that file. I will also tell you when you get this file how you will use and how to get this file. How to get this file, you can go here in the browser and on Google, or you can also type softedemy.com and you can type /shop, or you can go directly to the site. Also in the store or shop or tools, when you click on tools, you will get here in the future in the tools list. It's not added yet now, but it will add it later now. On the shop, you can click on and you will get this one on the main page. This is cookies. You can cross this one from here and you will get the tool maybe listed here. Future, maybe after this video, you will get the tool here. The name will be listed like Primavera P6 dash Excel schedule comparison report pro tool. So this name will be appear here on the site. So it's not still available for any sales, so it will be appear here. So also you can visit here when you click on the shop, so you can get this tool from here. So I will tell you how to use this one. Basically this video is for demonstration how to use this one, this tool. So why this was necessary, I will also tell you, because when you have a comparison in Primavera P6 and Visualizer P6, there are a lot of other parameters you cannot see, like you cannot get your constraints, dates, you cannot get your lags, you cannot evenly get what are your remaining lag duration. So there are a lot of relationship comparison also are not shown here. Also you cannot get which resources are added to your project, which resources are deleted from your project. You can get only budget units quantity, like budget labor and non-labor units quantity, but you cannot get which resources have been added to your project. Also you cannot get the specific in the which WBS it have been added. So this report is something else you will also get from this report. This report is useful. Where projects, I will also tell you on which projects it will be useful. Also Primavera P6 have been opened. First of all, I will go for demonstration, and beside with the video, I will also tell you that where you can use. So first of all, I will right click this video and I will extract the file which you will get after you will subscribe the product. So you will open this one, the file. So here you will see when you open this file. So this is one is backup files. So there are backup files you required here, and also when you go back here this is the main tool, schedule comparison dashboard Excel. So this is the main tool. Basically its name is Primavera P6 Excel schedule comparison report pro tool. So you can get it from the site. And now this is ERP's Primavera P6 ERPs. I will also tell you that how to import this ERP in your Primavera P6. So this is my Primavera P6. In your Primavera P6 it will be similar. And what you have to do in the when you go here in the reports, like when you go here in the reports, click on reports, and when you click on reports, you will get here a reports window. When report window will be appeared here, then you go here and in the report wizard, you have to go here and right click here, import, and then you have to go in the import, and then you have to go in the desktop, and where I have schedule comparison Primavera P6 Excel, and here I have ERPs. So I will select these ERPs. This one I will open, and now you can see here the ERP have been imported. Now right click here, import the next ERP. This is relationship ERP I have imported, and the third one ERP I have to import here, the resource assignment and roles. Okay, so these three ERPs are already set here. So from this one we will get our data for our previous schedule and our updated schedule. So for previous schedule I have named as baseline schedule. So sometimes some people comparison baseline with an updated schedule or revise a recovery schedule. So it's different from globally. In different countries it's different. Like in US it's some people use an updated schedule for comparison or last month comparison. So it's dependent on which schedule you want to compare. Some maybe scope have been added. So it's different like scheduling techniques used across the world. So that's why I have created like for both baseline and for previous schedule it will be used same word for baseline. Also baseline I have used, you can use that similar for previous also. So what I have to do, first I have to set this schedule comparison dashboard Excel in your system, and I will open my an Excel. So it will take some little bit time because this file is like 80 to 90 sheets in it. So that's why it will take some time loading in your system. So first of all you will click on enable content, so external data will be linked with this file. So next step you have to go in the data in Power Queries and Connection. You have to click this one, and now after you will click this one queries and connection, you will see here appear all the queries and connection here. Within some time it will take, maybe some seconds, some minutes it will take, because it will take some time, because it's loading data, or when it will take time. So also loading data model will be written below. Okay, so this file have been loaded. What I have to do, click on edit, and when I will go in the edit, and in the data resource setting you have to directly go. You don't need to change anything here. If you change here it will be also change everything in your system. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 files. Okay, first of all I will click on this baseline activities. I will change its source. Click on change source, and I will browse my system on the desktop and click on this tool and go. There is backup folder I have told you. I will click on baseline activities and import. When I will click import and okay, so this file have been changed, and now I will go for the second file. This file have been changed, baseline activities. Now I will change other source, change the source activity, baseline activity relationship. This one I have baseline activity relationship, the second one file, and now I will press OK. The third one file, this one I have to change the source. This file name is baseline resource assignment. I have to click baseline resource assignment. Baseline means previous. Okay, I will also tell you how to export this one from Primavera P6, and right click edit permission, edit change source and updated schedule updated activities. I will have to click this one, import, press OK. This six I have to do for 6. Whatever I have added here, it will be just going out below. Edit permission. When I have mistake, change source. This is updated activity relationship. Browse updated activity relationship. Import that one. Press OK. And the last one, because this one all 5 have been successfully changed. Their sources have been changed. I have to change the last source, updated resource assignment. Click this one and now press OK. So when you are adding, already existing words will be written right there. Like if there is written updated resource, for example, I click on this one and I change source. So when you see the file, how I am changing, because after the last slash there will be written something like whatever, like in the last, for example, this is the file, updated resource assignment is written already. So why I have to click here, updated resource assignment I have to click here. Okay, so this is the way. So don't make a mistake, watch again a video and then you click. If you make a mistake here, all the data will be mess, and there will be a lot of errors appear while you load this completely Power Query. Now you click this one and you have to keep this one changes in your system, and now you have to minimize. before going ahead, I will tell you how this will work. Let leave it here, and I will tell you how to do that one in Primavera P6. And here I have projects. First of all, I will open my baseline or my previous schedule. Okay, I will click my this R-01, and now I will export my reports. First of all, I will export my activities query report, run report, and now I have to click here delimited text file, and now I have to click here text qualifier like two commas, and I have to give the location. I will go here and I will go here in the location, and location desktop, and in the desktop location I have to finalize the location of file, and the file is this one, Primavera P6. And now backup file I have to click on activity query, save. The file will be saved into CSV. Press OK. You have to say existing file, yes. Okay, so it's saying that Excel cannot do this because dialog box is open. Maybe close the dialog box, maybe file OK. Maybe this file have been opened somewhere, so it will take some time, no issue. Okay, so now after you see here, all the rows are loaded here. You can see here all the rows are loaded, all the rows. So if some row are not loaded, so you will click this one option and it will be loaded. So currently I will not click this one. Let's go here first, and I will just export my all data. This is, I have opened already my baseline or my previous schedule. I will run here report, and I will click this setting as delimited text file, press OK, and I will paste it on the location which I have all the backup here. Like this one, I have all the backup here. So you will go exactly the backup location and click on activity query, select save, OK. View of file when done, so it should be clicked. So after the file completed, it should be view. Okay, so my file has been completed, and I will just file and export. Make sure if you have an activity codes, so you can modify this ERP. So if you got this file from me, and we can have a discussion on it. If you need an activity code assignment to this complete query and you want to show something else, a display, so there are options. You can assign activity codes. Like here I have assigned capitalization, department, discipline, and deliverable. So this project do not have an activity codes, so that's why I have it assigned. So I am not going to explain this one. This will be, I will explain in another video how to create this complete dashboard. So I will explain in that one, not a video. It will be attached on my course section. And now I will save as this file, browse, and I will save into Excel workbook and baseline activities. The name, because it is an activity, so save as baseline activities. Press OK, replace yes. So this one file have been completed. Now I will open my second file. Right click here, run here, report here, and I will paste in the same location with this name activity relationship. Press OK. After completing, the file will be opened. Press yes to save as existing file, save as, and browse. So save the file into XLSX file and save into baseline activity relationship. Save, yes, replace, and now close this file. And the third one file I have to export as a resource assignment report, and press OK, and I will paste yes. And now after doing this one, file will be opened, save as file, browse, and now I will save baseline resource assignment, save this file, save as. So three files have been saved till now. I will open my second project, which is my updated project recovery or revised schedule, whatever I want to compare with. Now I will open again my reports. I will right click and run report, and the same location I will press OK and yes here, and now file will be opened after completing. Now I will go here in the file power query file, save as, and this one is my unupdated activities. So this one I click here. So also you can see when I will update, so the dates will be also updated after that. So press yes, and now file will be closed. So this one file closed, this one. Now I will go here, the second one, activity relationship, run and report, press OK. Now yes file, this is my Second, relationship, an updated relationship, save as file, browse, and now save an Excel file. And this one is activity relationship. And the third one remaining is resource assignment. So right click here, run a report and press OK, because we have already assigned the location, so that's why it always saved with the same name. Save as file, browse. Now I will save XLS file, updated resource assignment. This one my last and sixth number file. That one we have just already assigned in the first process when we have attached the link of the file. Now cross the file. So the file have been now updated. You can see the dashboard. I will also explain you the dashboard. And this is the dashboard. After doing that one, you have to open the dashboard, which have been linked with the same file. So this is my main dashboard. And to go to my summary, I will click this one. So you can go into summary. So you can see here, this is a summary. So this is a summary, complete summary. I will explain you summary, what is in a summary. So this is already my all type of progress activity, percent complete, performance percent, duration percent, unit percent, schedule percent, and cost percent complete, and physical percent complete. So what is the number shows? So that this number shows how many activity have been changed. So this is two number change, this is two number change, two, which means two number of activities change, its duration percent. Okay. So what is these activities, how many activity deleted, how many activity added, how many activity critical relationship have been changed. So you cannot see this one in your Primavera P6 visualizer P6. So you cannot get from there how many critical relationship change. So you can get from here three number of relationship have been changed. Till now it haven't been updated. I haven't been updated. So how many activity was driving relationship? How many activity have been changed from driving relationship? Lag, how many lags have been changed? Also relationship type, how many relationship type have been changed? Also you cannot get from in a visualizer P6. So free float for relationship specifically. So this is all for relationship head. So now duration is similar, also for the date similar, also for the cost similar, resources similar, how many added resources, how many deleted resources, assignment percent complete, also critical path analysis. So this is not done in visualizer P6. Critical activities, how much critical activities have been changed, critical path numbers, and longest path, float path order, and float path. So multiple float and also critical path and longest path will be also there. Also EVM. So it's also not there in visualizer P6. EVM, complete EVM change, whatever the EVM change in your completely in your schedule. So EVM change will be also appear here, and whatever the units change will be also appear here, and activity details will be also here. So this one completely everything will be displayed. So how this dashboard is completely automated and interactive. So whenever you will click on the duration percent complete, so you will go here in the duration percent complete dashboard, and you can click here on change or unchanged. So you can see here all activities. So also from here, like I will click on this one. So you will see here, you can also add here whatever like your all the disciplines, like whatever the duty codes you have assigned. So it will be like Primavera P6. You can see, completely create a table similar to that one. So I will go here in a summary. So this is completely interactive. When you will click on any option, original duration, you can go here original duration. So all the number will be written like this one. So whenever you click on change, so this one will be automatically calculated. For example, I click on change. So this one will be automatically calculated here. So this is how it's going to be work. Like whatever you want to see, so it will be completely interactive. So I will go here interactive. So I will go here in the main. This is the main like that main dashboard. So whatever change in your completely schedule, it will be also appear here, like what are the schedule percent complete in your previous and what are current. So on the top I will explain you that this is my previous project name, and this is my current project name, whatever if it's changed, and this is ID previous and this is current, whatever the modified date was last and whatever the modified date is current. So resource assignment change, whatever is previous, whatever is current and difference. So also the category name have been written for EVM and project date. So this is a total cumulative, not like this is, for example, BL start date, it means the most earliest start, and this is the BL finish, it means most latest finish. So this is the complete dashboard. You can print out from here, like you can go here and print out from here. So this have a good nice dashboard, and also you can print out here your summary also. So this is also it can be print and it can be delivered to your subordinate. So this one you can get this file from our store. So what you have to done after that one, because this dashboard haven't been updated yet, after you have exported the file, you have to click this one, refresh all. When you click this one, so data will be retrieved and it will take you 4 to 5 minutes to retrieve all the data. And after doing that one, this load to data model have been failed, so you have to click and refresh this one. So every row should be loaded here. So when every row will be loaded here, and all the rows should be loaded and seen should be in the queries and connection. So then after that one, you can use this dashboard for delivery. So then when you click on dashboard any option, so you can get its detail very in detail and briefly. So let's see how much time it will take, and I will get back to you. Now you can see here all the resource, all the rows have been loaded. Now the project name have been updated. You can see this is my previous, this is current, and this is my updated project name. So you can also decrease its size to see what is its current name. I have decreased to 18 and I have decreased to similarly 18, this one. So I can see it same size. Updated latest R01. So this one you can see here also in the project. So the name is updated latest R01. So it automatically update. No, nothing I have to be done with it. And you can see here completely everything have been changed. This is your current, this one is your previous, this is your current actual labor remaining. So everything have been updated. Total budget cost previous was 40,000, current is also 40,000, planned value was 0, and now it's 10,574. Let's check, is it 10,574? And let's go here. This one 10,574. You can see here plan value. It's automatically updated here. You can see here. Now let's go to the summary. Let's go here summary. So you can see here all the summary have been updated now. So whenever you will see here deleted relationship, you will click this one. There are 3 deleted relationship. This one is a relationship which have been deleted from the project. Now new relationship have been added now. Go into the summary. So if you want to see that what are the lag changes, you will click this one. So you will see here lag changes means you can also find from here the activities. I will click here what are the lag activities. So when you click on change, so all the activities which the lag have been changed. So it means in previously these activities was not available. So that's why it's comparing that its lag have been changed. But basically its lag is not changed because in baseline these activities was not there. So any activity which is not there in baseline, it will be appearing in the lag change also. So you can also ignore this one. Driving relationship. So also you can consider if any activity have been added new here and it is not there in the previous schedule, so it will be similarly shown here in the lag also. It will be similarly shown in the relationship type also because it's newly added. So that why it when it comparison to baseline also it will shown here like this one 11, this one 11 shown. Why it's 11 showing and also why it's the change 11 showing because it's new added. New added relationship will also be shown in the driving also. Okay. So when I click here driving also, so you can also go for the change. So if there is like first of all it's driving in yes, written activity relationship in baseline was yes, now it's not driving. So one activity was previously there, that why it's 12 here. So also similarly to each activity also the critical path also it will be shown like the similar. And also if you want to see and what are the activity percent complete and what are schedule percent complete, I can see what are the change. This is 33%. For this project name activity have been 33% change from your baseline. Baseline was 0 and now it's 33. So this is change. So baseline was blank and now 0 because this activity is new also added. So this 4 activity new added. So that's why it also shows new. So this is our today's content about the schedule comparison Excel dashboard. So report. So you can do this one at your system. You can order us through our website, and the link of that one have been given description below. And also you can contact us through our WhatsApp number, and you can also ask for us. So this is our today's content. Thanks for watching Softedemy.